they're called rapid carts, and you can make them for endo, ortho, surgery, pretty much anything you want. So if we're doing a endo procedure, they would just wheel this whole cart, and next door you're going to see one set up for endo. Everything that we need to do endo is in this cart. We're not having to run to sterilization and get X, Y, and Z. If you're doing a crown prep or a filling and all of a sudden you're into the nerve and you need to do an endo right then we just call someone and they bring the cart. The other assistant sets it up, and the doctor and the assistant never stop working. So yeah, it's very efficient. And then above is the backstock for whatever's in the carts.
You guys have a label maker?
You need a few. You need a few. And there's a couple different versions of them. No drawers, all drawers. When we come to train, we'll customize it to your office and what you guys use it. We have it for implants and endo, but there's a million different things, whatever you guys want.
So these are you come with the plug-in.
Yep. So all of this stuff gets plugged into the back, and then this can come off. So it hides all the cords, so it looks nice and neat. And then you just have to plug this in to get all of this to work.
You guys can go to Home Depot and build this if you guys want.
No, you can't.
Yeah, you
I'm
can.
baiting you on
You
that.
can.
Don't do that, please.
Yeah, I did. I went to, so these came up because, once you get past 4 rooms, you're not going to have 2 endo setups. You're not going to have 2 implant drive units in a 10-chair office. You're going to buy one of those things. It's $10,000, whatever it is. And so I went to Office Max and bought a cart. And when the wheels fall off as you're going down the hallway, some expensive stuff winds up on it.
Yes.
So that's how those happened
Let
20 years
Dr. A
ago.
make that mistake.
20
The
years
smart move
ago.
is like, I'll just take that. Yeah.
Did you want to show this?
You guys want to see the dental lab, real working dental lab?
It's the best part about our office, I think. Yeah. He's amazing. He does amazing work.
Well, it's so nice. It's doing house.
Mm-hmm.
Billy?